Hey everybody, it's Jeff Kennedy, Space Surfer, with your Hurricane Milton 1:30 a.m. hurricane update. And it's getting very windy out here. We've been very fortunate. We're just getting a little bit of rain right now, but for the most part it's been dry for about 3 hours. We seem to be very close to the eye, but we're on the cleaner side of the storm. We're on the south side of the storm. Also, Cocoa Beach is no longer servicing emergency personnel at this time. Winds are in excess of 40 to 55 mile an hour steady, and we're seeing gusts into 60 miles per hour. We're going to be here at 2 a.m. as long as we got power. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We can't thank you enough. This is why we do it.